Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this full-on face makeup using products that are only under $10. It's not necessarily from the drugstore. I also have some Colourpop products here. I really like how it turned out. I hope you do as well. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. I really appreciate every one of you that subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, so thank you very much. So if you want to see how I created this makeup using products that are only $10 or less, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna use today a foundation that I don't really know if I like. I don't know what it is about it, but every time I wear it I hate my makeup. I know a lot of people like it, so I want to give you this option, guys. I have the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, which is one of my favorite foundation. I just love it so much. But today I want to try this Wet n Wild foundation. This is the Photo Focus foundation. It is cruelty free. It is really cheap. It is only $5. So I think I don't like it because it is quite matte. So today I'm gonna mix it in with the Colourpop Aventurine Crystal Liquid Highlighter, and we will see how it will go. And I'm also gonna try another shade. Maybe it will be better for me. It comes with a spoolie. It is really convenient. So I'm just gonna put it on my face. I'm not gonna use any primer or anything, just because I don't have a great primer besides from NYX that I love. The NYX one is very affordable, but it is not under $10. So yes. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlighter and I'm just gonna spread it here on my face, and hopefully it will look better. I'm taking my Tarte buffing brush and I'm just gonna buff it. Better than the other shade that I used before, but I'm gonna go on top of it with my beauty blender to smooth everything. So far it does look better. Maybe it's the shade, I don't know, but I'm happy for it. So for concealer I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna take the shade Medium and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. It does oxidize quite a bit, so to lighten it up I'm gonna take the shade Light, also from Colourpop. So quickly I'm gonna take my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and I'm gonna set my under eyes just to make sure it won't crease on me. I really recommend that you look up and then set your under eyes because it just stretches the area. And I'm also powdering my nose, my forehead. I get a lot of wrinkles in my forehead. That's the age, guys, you know. I'm already 24. I don't get younger. Before I forget, I'm gonna take this Essence Love Joy Care lip oil and I'm gonna put it on my lips, and this gives me hydration and it feels really good before you put on some lipstick. So for the eyes I'm gonna do something really simple, and I'm gonna take the Essence Mosaic Compact Powder. This is how it looks like. It is really nice. I'm taking this Mosaic bronzer and I'm taking the deeper shades right here. I'm gonna put it in my crease as a transition shade, and this just gives you a little bit of color right where you want it. And I don't have a favorite eyeshadow palette from the drugstore. I do feel like with drugstore you don't get good quality eyeshadow palette most of the times. Don't think that everything is bad, but whatever I tried so far I didn't really like. I know that Maybelline came out with some new eyeshadow palettes and I didn't try them out yet. Some good quality eyeshadow palettes you can find in Colourpop. They are not below $10, so that's why I'm not using them today, but they have good eyeshadows. Like if you want a few eyeshadows from Colourpop, they are really cheap, so I really recommend those. And they also have the Super Shock shadows, which I will show you in a minute, and I also really like. So I'm gonna use the Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Honey, and this is new. This is from the Laura Lee collab. It looks like this. It looks a little bit pink, a little bit coppery. So if you guys don't know the Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows, they are like they have a special formula. They are between a powder and a liquid, so I really like them. Let me swatch it for you guys. So this is the eyeshadow. It is beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid and then I'm gonna blend it in. It is really beautiful. The Colourpop eyeshadows are $5 or $6, so I recommend them for you guys. They're really good. I have a very big collection of them. And what I like about them is that they don't need to be blended like crazy. You can just put it on the eye and you can see that it gives my eye the most amazing color, flash of color and some highlight, and you just do it with your fingers and the look is so simple, but it looks like you spent a lot of time creating it. And then I'm taking my fluffy brush again and I buff the edges to make it look more blended. And then I will go in with some more eyeshadow and I will just add to wherever we already have some on. Yeah, I do have some fallout, so I'm gonna take this powder and I'm packing it on my brush and I just flick it away. So now I'm taking some black liner and I'm gonna put it in my upper waterline. When you put a black liner on your top lashes, it looks more full. As you can see, this lash line looks fuller than this one, and it just gives you an extra something to the look. And then I'm taking my two favorite mascaras. One is from Maybelline. This is the Falsies Push Up Angel mascara, and the other one is this Miss Baby Roll mascara from L'Oreal. And I put them together because the Maybelline one gives me length and volume, and this one just makes them look round and beautiful, and the combination is really nice. So that's it. I really like the look when I don't have anything on my lower lash line or mascara, if I'm going for such like natural and pretty look. So I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna move on to the brows and I'm gonna use this Catrice Cosmetics eyebrow set. I'm not sure if this is discontinued or not, but it is really nice. If you can find it, I highly recommend it. Catrice is a great brand. I am gonna use this set, which has two powders. The one of them is lighter and the other one is deeper, as you can see. So this is the brows, and let's go ahead and finish up with the face. For bronzer, I'm gonna take the Colourpop pressed powder bronzer in the shade, I think it's called Private Party. I will leave it down below. And oops, I'm just gonna bronze up my skin. This one is really pigmented. And for blush, I'm gonna use the Essence Mosaic blush in the shade 20. All you need is pink, and it is really pretty. Look, it is amazing. I'm taking a dense brush and I'm gonna put it all over my cheeks. and the pink blush goes really well with the eyeshadow that we put from Colourpop. And now for the best part, we're gonna take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and this is how it looks like. This is a highlighter, and I'm just gonna put it on the high points of my cheeks and in my inner corner. And before we put on some lip product, we're gonna use the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is a great setting spray, but it does leave a little bit of like splashes on your face. But if you're on a budget, it is really good. I highly recommend it. It melts everything together and the makeup looks flawless. And now for my lips, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Luxe lipstick. This is in the shade Appy, and I'm not gonna take off my lip oil because I found that when I use this lip oil underneath this lipstick, it is really hydrating and it sits on better. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I created using only makeup products that are under $10. I really think that if you're on a budget, or even if you just love drugstore makeup and want to try, you can find some amazing products at the drugstore. Most of the stuff that I showed you, I use them like all the time. It's not just for this video. I love these products. And even the Photo Focus foundation that I used, and I told you that I didn't really like it, I think that this shade is much better for me, and I love how it sits on right now, especially with the Colourpop highlighter. I feel like this is quite a matte foundation, so if you don't like the matte look like I don't like a full-on matte foundation, then you can definitely mix it in with some highlighter and make it look even better. If you want more videos like this, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. I have some cool videos coming for you guys next week. Don't forget to press that bell button so you will be notified. And yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you love this video. I love it so much, and I love this makeup look, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.